Hi guys, so today I'm going to change the case of my PC, and I decided to make a vlog about this one because it's been quite a while since I built my own PC and it got me a little excited. So I'm going to transfer all of this to the Darkflash Dlm21 Matx case. So it's a budget case, but it has a lot of good reviews online. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so to start, I have to remove all of this and then put it on the side, and then afterwards I am going to put it all back together on the new case. So let's go. So now that I've managed to remove everything from the old case, it's time to put it all back here in this new case. So I ran into some problems when I was trying to remove the motherboard, but it all worked out. So let's go. So one thing I've learned from all the PC building I did before was you don't have to screw everything so tight. You just have to make sure that they're secured enough so that the motherboard doesn't move. Okay, so as you can see, I've already booted up the PC and I'm running some tests to see where my temperatures are at right now. So what did I love about this case? So since it's a mesh front, okay, it has a better airflow than my previous case. And when I was building this particular unit, I noticed that it has a lot of room for cable management. So as you can see, I didn't even put a lot of effort in managing my cables, but it turned out pretty decent for me. The two things I don't like about this case is, since it's a mesh front, it's going to suck in a lot of dust. But unfortunately, they didn't put a dust filter on front. So if you're planning to buy this case, that's one thing you have to take into consideration. Also, it's a little bit on the noisier side. I mean, you can really hear the fans when they're running at 100%. But overall, it's a good case. I like it. It's a small form factor case. Not exactly a small form factor, but it's not like big towers. Okay, so overall, I really love this case because I've always been a fan of M.2 cases, and this one in particular, I love it because it has clean look, it has good cable management, it has good airflow, and pretty much have everything you need in a small budget case like this. And so if you're planning to build a PC for yourself and you don't want those big tower ATX cases, you might want to consider this Darkflash Dlm21 Matx case. It's perfect for students who are homeschooling and workstations for those who are working at home. So yeah, that's it for my review of this case. I hope you enjoyed it, and please consider liking and subscribing to my channel for more videos such as this. Thank you. Bye.